Good evening and welcome to ThaiPBS World. All eyes will be on the Constitutional Court tomorrow when it delivers a ruling that will have far-reaching ramifications on Thai politics. The court will decide whether Thanathorn Jingrunglungkit, leader of the Future Forward Party, will be disqualified as an MP and barred from active politics. The firebrand politician is accused of violating the constitution by holding shares in the media company when he registered to run in the March elections.
Since late May, Thanathorn has been suspended from active duty as an MP, pending a ruling by the Constitutional Court. The Election Commission alleges that Thanathorn was still holding more than 600,000 shares in his family-owned Vilak media company the day he registered in February to run in the March election. Thanathorn has been fighting the case on two major points. He argued that despite its name, Vilak Media Company is not a mass media company in the general sense. It only published a glossy lifestyle and in-flight magazines, which wouldn't afford him any political influence. He also insisted that he had already transferred all his shares to his mother before he registered to run in the March election. But Thanathorn has been challenged on this point, and the authenticity of his share transfer documents is also questioned. If found guilty, Thanathorn will be disqualified as an MP and banned from running in elections for up to 20 years. He also faces the possibility of a jail term of up to 10 years. According to legal experts, the Constitutional Court tomorrow is likely to rule only on Thanathorn's MP status, while the jail term will be decided by the election section of the Supreme Court in a later separate deliberation.
The media shareholding case is just one of the several legal challenges facing Thanathorn. He is also being investigated for breaching the Political Parties Act by extending personal loans to his own political party before and after the March election.
Make the party be able to stand.
The case stems from Thanathorn's own revelation during an address at the Foreign Correspondents Club of Thailand in mid-May that he extended a loan worth 110 million baht to the Future Forward Party because the party was too poor to finance its own election campaign.
I lent the party 100 million during this election campaign.
Thanathorn has also dismissed the case as another example of what he describes as a political persecution against him. And that's why executives of the Future Forward Party are bracing for the worst. But the party has not been sitting still. It has gone all out to solicit public support for Thanathorn and at the same time openly attacks the credibility of the Election Commission. And just 2 days before the court's ruling, the party filed a malfeasance charge against the Election Commission with the Central Criminal Court for corruption and misconduct cases. The party accuses the 7 election commissions, including its chairman Ittiporn Bunplakong, of making a hasty decision to refer the media shareholding case against Thanathorn to the Constitutional Court. It alleges that the commissions didn't even wait for findings from a subcommittee it had appointed to make initial investigation into the case. The party questions whether the Election Commission was politically motivated to move against Thanathorn, subsequently leading him to be temporarily suspended from active duty as an MP. The party claims that Thanathorn's reputation has also been damaged by the decision of the 7 commissioners. The move is seen as part of the ongoing attempts by Future Forward Party to cast doubts on the credibility of the Election Commission's process in handling the case against Thanathorn. Party spokeswoman Panika Wanit used the press conference announcing the lawsuit against the Election Commission to declare war on the Nation Multimedia Group, one of Thailand's major media companies, which she suggested has been working in cahoots with those in power to discredit the party. She accused its news outlets of distortion and smear campaign against the party. She said the party is considering filing a libel charge against him. The media group yesterday denied the charges and immediately threatened to file a counter lawsuit against the party.
ผมอยากให้พวกเราย้อนกลับมาดูมองไปดูโลกข้างนอกนั่น
In a rally organized by the party over the weekend, Thanathorn once again repeated that all the legal cases against him were politically motivated to destroy his political career. He claimed that he and his Future Forward Party have antagonized the political elites with their anti-establishment views. And as a result, to them, he is a threat that needs to be removed.
So tomorrow we'll find out whether Thanathorn's meteoric rise will be cut short. But even if he survives the case, it doesn't mean that all his legal and political troubles will be out of the way. And that's all for ThaiPBS World tonight. Thank you for watching.